another very exciting episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one stop for everything beauty. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 super easy hairstyles that are absolutely ideal for video calls. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also hit on the bell icon so you do not miss out any videos we put out. We all have been working from home and connecting with our friends, family and colleagues over video calls, and we've pretty much got the hang of it by now. So I thought I'll show you these 3 different hairstyles for different occasions like work meeting, a virtual date, or friends game night, and I hope you try one of these before your next video call. To get my hair ready for styling, I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. I'm going to take 2 pumps of this in my palms, about this much. Massage this really well and then apply it to my midlands to ends. I just love that with just a few drops, my hair feels so much more nourished. Now let's begin with the first hairstyle. So for the first hairstyle for work from home meetings on video conferencing, you guys need something that is nearly effortless and real quick. So I'm going to show you this side ponytail hairstyle which will take you less than 90 seconds to recreate. So I'm going to begin by taking a side parting, but I will take a parting on the opposite direction of my usual parting because this is going to add a lot of volume to my ponytail. So take a parting on one side. Take your time in combing out your hair as much as you like. Once you're happy with the way it is, take it on the side into a ponytail. Take a rubber band like this and take it into a side ponytail. I like to just wrap a small section of hair around the rubber band. So keep wrapping it around and secure it at the back. Then take a bobby pin and then just secure it inwards. Look how simple yet elegant this hairstyle looks. I also love that it's so effortless, and I think you all must definitely give this a try. So the second hairstyle is for all the times when you're going to be video calling your friends to catch up and play games together. So for this, I'm going to show you how you guys can style your hair in space buns, and all your friends are going to talk about how good you're looking in it. So for the space buns, begin by taking a center parting all the way till the back. You will basically need to split your entire hair into 2 sections. You can even use a tail comb like this to get a really clear section. And then just extend that section at the back. Just comb each section out on both the sides really well. We need to take these sections in a ponytail on the top here. So using your comb, take all your hair till the top. Now take a rubber band and secure it. Make sure that your ponytail sits wherever you want the bun. So this is where I want the bun. So this is where my ponytail will sit. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, making sure that both my ponytails are sitting in the same position. So once my ponytails are ready like this, all you need to do is start twisting these around. Like this.
And I like to sort of leave them a little loose and messy, or else they tend to look really tiny. And then just with a lot of U-pins, I'm going to start securing it from all the sides. Okay, now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I absolutely love how cute this looks and how trendy this hairstyle is. And that's it, we are done with hairstyle number 2. Now coming to the third and final look, in case you guys are planning a virtual date with your loved one, I highly suggest you put in some extra time in doing up your hair. So for that, I'm going to show you the lace braid ponytail, and it definitely is not as tough as it sounds. I'm going to be applying the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum for some shine and silky touch. This will also help in locking in the pattern of the braid. I also love how this adds so much life into my hair. So let's get started. So begin by taking your parting on whichever side you like. I'm going to begin by taking it on the right. And then I'm going to take a 2 to 3 inch section just in the top of my ear, like this. Just clip this section at the back away for now. So I'm using a bobby pin. We're going to be working with this section. Take a small section starting from here. Now split that into 3 equal halves, like this. Now take the right over the middle and the left section over the middle. So now what you want to do is add hair from the front, like this, into the middle section. And then take the right section over the middle and left section over the middle. And now with the rest, you just continue braiding this normally. So once this is done, I'm going to take it all at the back. Release the previous bobby pin, and now what you're going to do is take everything into a ponytail. So hold everything nicely in a ponytail like this. And now you can wrap a small section around the rubber band. Take a bobby pin and secure it under the ponytail. And that's how it looks. Now after putting in so much effort, I definitely don't want my braid to move even an inch between my date. So for that, I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray. Just shake the can and spray it from 12 inches away so it's evenly distributed on your hair. Now this is going to give my braid that long-lasting hold, and the best part is that it can be used on all hair types. I just love how it leaves my hair feeling so neat, soft and shiny. So I hope you all enjoyed watching me create 3 hairstyles for video calls for 3 different occasions. Let me know in the comment section below which ones you guys are most excited to try. In case you want any details on the products I have used in the video, it's going to be in the description box. Also subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit on the notification bell so you do not miss out any videos we put out, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!